iPhone Pro 11 unboxing. Welcome back, you're watching ACIERO. Today I'm back again with the iPhone Pro 11 unboxing. So this is the smaller version. You have the bigger one, the iPhone 11 Max, Pro Max, and this is the smaller version. So let me show you what's in the box. So when you get the phone, it's like this, but it's sealed. Of course, this is already open. I opened it before I did this video, so because I didn't. So it comes with a few, you know, the normal things. This is to open the phone to put in your SIM card. This is the USB-C cable, and you have this big charger, you see. So what I don't like about this phone is the charger. The charger is too big compared to the previous chargers we had. So this is really too big, you know. And you have a headset, and this headset doesn't have the other older, you know, pin it in, you know, like the pin you had that you could pin it in your headset jack. You have like a USB-C USB-C earphones, which is great. And most of you will be asking me, where's the phone? Yeah, the phone is here. The phone. How much does this phone cost? This phone retails from 1,300 euros to I think 1,800 euros. Mine costed 1,400 euros, almost 1,500 euros. So what did I get? I got the space gray phone, and I got it with a storage of, I think, 256 gigabytes, which is really good, from the Apple Store. So, however, is this phone worth all that money that you're spending on just a phone? It's, you know, you buy a phone just to, you know, make calls and you know, chat with your friends and do social media, and that's it. But most of you bought this phone because you make content, you're creatives, so you want to make better photos, you want to make better videos, you want to make, you know, something better, you want good quality, better quality. So, but is it worth the 1,400 euros? Most of you wanted to compare it with a DSLR camera, professional DSLR camera, and I totally disagree. You cannot compare an iPhone camera, although there are like 3 cameras, actually maybe almost, 3, almost 4 cameras on this phone that you think you can compare with a DSLR. This, I've tried. I almost believed you guys that I should throw away all my DSLR cameras and just use my iPhone to do my footage and do my photos and everything. But I realized, I compared all the photos and the footage I did, maybe for Instagram stories and for just short videos and short clips that are not, you know, are not seriously going to, you know, go on with value. It records 4K, and it's very nice. I really like it. For the quality you get, top. I'm happy. But do I throw away the DSLR camera and replace it with a iPhone Pro because it has 3 cameras? I won't take you through the specifications through that, because everyone is talking about that, and on a point of view of a user who isn't really interested in the specs. I am interested, but I don't want to bore you with them. I want to know, do I throw away my DSLR camera to replace it with this iPhone? No, the answer is no. I can't throw away my DSLR camera because the quality of the photos you get on this phone isn't the same as the quality you get on your DSLR camera. So the DSLR are still more valuable and more quality, you know, provide more quality than this iPhone Pro that costs retails from 1,300 euros and above. So thing is, you may be asking me, why did you buy it? Yeah, for convenience. If I'm outside, I can take small Instagram stories, I can take selfies, but I won't use it for professional work, if that's what you mean. But if you're just starting out and you want to practice, you can buy yourself this phone and it will act like your camera and everything. The only thing is you have to be able to max on the storage, because yeah, storage is necessary. And if you're going to be shooting 4K and that kind of thing on a phone, yeah, you need to remove all those videos immediately. You shoot them, because then you won't have anything on your phone later on. Yeah, the operating system will be filled up and then will shut down, so you don't need that. So you have to max up on the storage and make sure that you're always deleting all the files that you shoot if you're shooting 4K, because it takes up a lot of storage. The other thing is, I really was doubting about this phone when I first saw it. You know, I have small hands, and my last phone was an iPhone 5s. I know that's like so long ago, but I only kept that phone because of the size. It was too small and I loved it. I could grip it in my own small hands. This one is kind of big, and for a girl with very small hands, I feel like I'm holding something big. But what I did in the beginning when I bought this phone, I was like, it's so big, I should buy a case immediately in case it falls down, that I don't damage it. So I bought myself a blue case. Although when I went to buy the phone in the store, I wanted a green one. I couldn't make a choice between green and space gray. But then I was like, no one is going to see it. And then when I went to choose the case, instead of choosing a green case, I chose the blue case. Now, because I was wearing a blue jacket, so, and I always wear that blue jacket, so I was thinking, yeah, green will be crashing a bit. But am I happy with my phone? Yes. Am I happy that costs a lot of money? No, 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 no. I want it to cost a little bit less, but give me more of my more, more. I want more, but for less money. Yeah, I'm being cheap, I know, but I'm sorry. Don't be cheap like me. So, I don't like this. Apple, please make this smaller. So, and what do we do? Should you buy the iPhone Pro 11 Max or the smaller one? No, I went with the smaller one because my hands are small. If you want a bigger, wider screen, go for the Max. If you want a normal one, go for the normal one, because the normal one now makes more sense, I think. And it also, I think, costs a little bit less than the other one. But yeah, those were my thoughts. I love my phone, and I hope you can make a decision or find out what you want. But I'm not going to take you through all the specs, because you're going to do nothing with it. The only thing is, does it work? How does it work? Am I happy? Will you be happy? Yes, you'll be happy with this phone, because I'm very happy with my Instagram stories. Oh, don't forget to follow me on Luciana ACIERO on Instagram. And if you also follow the hashtag ACIERO, then you'll also see most of my photos on Instagram stories. Stay tuned and see you soon.